Let's start off with palmas for tangos. So it's a 4 count, and when we start off with our palmas, we have our hands cupped and we just clap. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. But then let's kind of make it a little bit more spicy by going 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 1, 2 and 3, 4. Taka tan ta, taka tan ta, taka tan ta, and then close it. When we put our fingers, the fingers in the middle of the palm, we play palmas altas to get that little pop sound. So let's try this. 1, taka tan ta, 2, taka tan ta, 3, taka tan ta, 4, 5, taka tan ta, 6, 7, and now close it. Ba bum bum. Okay, so those are our palmas. Now the next part, we are going to just work on our hands, and what I'll do is I'll give you a little tutorial of each little section, and then we'll put it in together and we'll drill it with music. Okay, so our hands, our flamenco hands, the hands come from the wrist, or the movement comes from the wrist. So you want to be able to control the movement at the wrist. So you don't want to move the forearms, you want to keep the forearms still. But the actual hands, so you start with your pinky, and you're going to go in, and you want to bend at the wrist, around and open and flip, in, bring your fingers in, bend at the wrist, around, open and flip, and in, around, open, flip. And let's do the opposite side. Here, so our palms are forward, out. So you want to fan in with the fingers, bend at the wrist, turn it around, slowly open and flip, out and flip. And then we can alternate going in and out, in and out. Good. So this is basic hand movements, and you will use this forever in flamenco. And of course, like once you start adding the other movements, sometimes the hands kind of, you forget what happens with your hands, but that's okay. We just, keep practicing, practice, practice, practice. So we have had so far our palmas, our hands, our manos, so in and out, and in and out. Now let's go over our arm position. So our arms are always going to be rounded. You don't ever want to collapse your elbows. You don't want chicken arms, and you don't want to keep them straight. You want to keep them slightly rounded. So our arms are down here, out to the side, and you're kind of holding that beach ball. And then when your arms come up to the top, you want to keep those shoulder blades pulled down, abs in, and then back down here. All right, so now we can practice our positions one more time. Down, out, up, and back out and down. And then we can add our hands. So we have our in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4, and in, 2, 3, 4, and out, 2, 3, 4. All right, so that's kind of like a quick explanation of our upper body. So now let's put it all together, and we're going to drill it with a little bit of music in tangos. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. Ta-ka-ta-ta, ta-ka-ta-ta. Last one. Close it. Ba-bam-ba. In, 2, 3, 4, hold. And out. So we're saying it longer. In. And out. Arms up. And in. And out. we're gonna keep it slow for right now, and in, and out. All right, let's repeat the whole thing, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and ba-ba-ba, in, 5, 6, 7, and out, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and in, 4, 5, 6, 7, and out. Remember the arms are rounded, and in, and out, abs in, elbows rounded. Again, here we go, 1, 2, 7, and close it. Ba, ba, ba. So keep it still, slow hands, and out, abs in, shoulders down, and out, arms up, in, and out, and in, and out. All right, 1. Okay, here we go. Ba, ba, bum. Bang, close. Now we'll go fast. In, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 4, out, 3, 4, in, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, out. Again, and in, and out, and arms out, arms up, and out. Ole. One more time. Close it. Ba, ba, ba. In and out. Control the forearm. Abs in, shoulders down. And in, 2, 3, 4, out, 2, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, out, 3, 4, in, 2, 3, 4, out, and in, and out. Last time. Close it. Ba, ba, ba. In and out. In and out. Arms up and out. Repeat. And down. Out. And up. Shake it out. Thanks for joining me in today's class. If you are ready to deep dive into your flamenco practice with me, I invite you to join me inside my Online Flamenco Studio, which is my monthly membership with over 60 video courses for new beginners all the way through advanced dancers. And we really expound on the way I love to teach, which is all about speaking, feeling, and dancing flamenco. Now, inside the membership, I have courses in technique, choreography, and flamenco theory. There is a wonderful community of dancers from all around the world in our members-only Facebook group. We have regular monthly challenges and practice lessons for everyone. So if you're interested in checking that out, be sure to sign up for that free trial. Thank you again, and I'll see you in the next lesson.